If you've ever tried to open a Telegram channel and saw that it's blocked or hidden, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access a blocked Telegram channel using Telegram Web and a simple setting change that can help make restricted content visible again. This is a quick and easy fix, and it works best when Telegram is filtering sensitive content on your account. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram Web on a computer, or you can use your phone's browser if that's easier for you. The important part is that you log into your Telegram account from the web version first, because that's where this setting is often easiest to find and update. Once you're signed in, look for the menu and go into Settings. From there, select Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps a lot of the account controls that affect what you can see and how your app behaves. Now scroll through the settings until you find the sensitive content section. Depending on your region or account type, you may see a setting labeled Disable Filtering, or you may see an option that says Show 18+ content. Turn that option on. This tells Telegram not to hide certain channels or posts that it may have been filtering before. After you enable that setting, the next step is very important. Restart your mobile app or close and reopen Telegram desktop so the change can sync properly across your devices. Sometimes the setting updates instantly, but in many cases, restarting the app helps Telegram refresh your account and apply the new content preferences. Once that's done, go back and check the channel again. In many cases, the blocked channel should now be visible or accessible, depending on the type of restriction. If it still doesn't appear right away, give it a minute and refresh, or sign out and sign back in on the app. And just a quick reminder, always make sure you're following your local laws and Telegram's rules when accessing content online. So that's how you can access a blocked Telegram channel by adjusting the sensitive content settings in Telegram Web and syncing the change to your app. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.